Hi, this is Marvin and I would like to share some ideas on how you can begin blogging without having complete gadgets. Many people want to blog but are confronted with the lack of gadgets to use. To me, the absence of gadgets such as camera, recorders, microphones, among others, is not a problem. Those things will be procured as soon as you have started initially the easiest ways, not to include the idea that distance and time are also barriers from sharing thoughts. There's an easy way to do this. That is, if passion and interest are your priorities over financial compensation. Before I'll give you some tips on building channels, let's watch these excerpts from my video projects that use different materials from trusted internet sites. Hi, I'm going to show you how a simple and basic YouTube channel can be made by beginners. Watch this example. Hi, I'm going to show you how to pixelate or blur unwanted parts of your video. That supports both animated and static images. Usually, a GIF is posted on Facebook. The green arrows indicate the green edges of different. Create a content such as sports, gaming, how to and style, education, and more are some contents to build in blogging. These contents could be broken down into other elements. As you can see from the image, there are lots of contents categories that appear on YouTube. Try to see the categories found in the red box. It is encouraged that you choose a general category from this that you may break into sections from your channel later on. Let's think that nothing is impossible when it comes to our freedom to blog in varied easy ways we can while things allow. As I have told earlier, the main requirements are to possess the real interest and passion alongside patience, and that financial consideration in return for what we upload should not be the main purpose.